Stretching can help improve your athletic performance, reduce your chance of injury, and make you more flexible. Stretch lightly after warming up for a workout to help prevent injuries. And stretch after you're done exercising to keep your muscles from getting sore. You can also stretch first thing in the morning to get your muscles moving. For an easy beginner stretch, try an overhead stretch. Stand up with your feet shoulder-width apart. Then interlace your fingers and stretch your hands above your head with your palms facing up. Hold the stretch for 15 to 20 seconds. To stretch your hips and back, try some knee to chest stretches. Lie down on your back and pull one knee up to your chest. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then repeat with your other leg. To stretch your legs, stand up with your feet shoulder-width apart and bend down to touch your toes. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Even if you can't stretch every day, try to stretch at least 2 to 3 times a week to stay flexible. Remember that stretching should never be painful, so don't push yourself to stretch further than you're comfortable with.